To the DepEd Cavite personnel and other audience, good morning to all of you. This is Mr. Angel M. Esteron of General Emilio Aguinaldo National High School. The title of my study is Assessment on School Improvement Practices such as Involvement, Implementation Plan, Leadership, Accountability. The main goal of the Department of Education is to provide a quality education for our young Filipinos. On May 2013, the Enhanced Basic Education Curriculum was signed by then President Benigno Aquino. This is to provide quality education for our youth so that they can be able to compete globally. Yet, this can only be realized through the collaborative efforts of our principal, teachers, students, and other stakeholders. According to Montanari, school improvement planning is not merely a plan, but a framework for change, for which the plan itself is simply a map that identifies the school's intended destination. I conducted this study to answer the following specific questions. Number 1, what is the percentage of involvement of school head, teachers, parents, and other stakeholders in the school improvement planning? Number 2, what is the level of practice in SIP of the 4 schools in the Division of Cavite based on involvement, leadership, plan implementation, efficacy, and accountability? Number 3, is there a significant difference on the school improvement planning practices among the 4 schools in the Division of Cavite? This study was conducted on 4 selected schools in the Division of Cavite, namely Naic National High School, Alfonso National High School, Maragondon National High School, and General Emilio Aguinaldo National High School. The respondents of this study were the 15 teachers from different schools mentioned. This study is a quantitative type of research. The respondents were chosen through purposive sampling technique. The data collected through the use of the instrument, which is a 4-point Likert scale survey questionnaire. The data gathered was interpreted using the descriptive statistics and a two-way ANOVA. This is my first finding. The principal has the highest percentage of involvement in the school improvement planning with 91.41%. The involvement of the teachers is 90.86%, parents is 87.11%, and stakeholders is 89.39%. This is my second finding. The level of practices of the 4 schools are above the norms. The table shows that involvement is 89.69%, plan implementation is 91.44%, leadership is 91.44%, efficacy is 87.38%, and accountability is 89.25%. This is my third finding. There is a significant difference on the school improvement planning practices among the 4 schools in this study. Based from the result of this study, there is a significant difference on the school improvement planning practices among the 4 schools in the Division of Cavite. Actually, the original plan of this study for my factor A is the 4 clusters in the Division of Cavite, but I was not able to do it because of so many reasons. So, if anybody wants to continue this study using the 4 clusters, you may utilize any part of this study which I will be going to upload. Thank you very much and God bless.